Hello friends, welcome to our channel. It's time for another fun quiz. Today we'll be asking questions related to the weather. This quiz is for kids from around the world between the ages of 5 to 9 years old. All the questions are multiple choice questions with 4 options to choose from. Out of these 4 options, only one option is correct. Let's get started. Question number 1. What makes clouds? A. Water falling from rivers. B. The sun shining bright. C. Water vapor in the air. D. Stars twinkling at night. The correct answer is C. Water vapor in the air. Clouds are made when warm water vapor in the air cools into tiny liquid water droplets or ice crystals. As the water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it expands and cools. When it reaches a certain temperature, the water vapor condenses around tiny particles in the air, such as dust or pollen, forming clouds. Question number 2. What do we call a weather forecast? A. Astronomy. B. Geology. C. Meteorology. D. Biology. The correct answer is C. Meteorology. Meteorology is the science that studies the atmosphere and weather. Meteorologists are the scientists who study weather and make weather forecasts. Question number 3. Which instrument is used to measure wind speed? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Anemometer. D. Hygrometer. The correct answer is C. An anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument used to measure the speed of the wind. There are different types of anemometers, but they all work by detecting the movement of the wind and converting it into a reading. Question number 4. What happens during an eclipse? A. The Earth casts a shadow on the moon. B. The moon casts a shadow on the Earth. C. The sun disappears from view. D. The sun casts a shadow on the moon. The correct answer is D. The sun casts a shadow on the moon. During an eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and the Earth, which casts a shadow on the moon. This happens when the moon is at its closest point to the Earth in its orbit. Question number 5. What is the name of the scale that measures the strength of earthquakes? A. Richter scale. B. Kelvin scale. C. Fahrenheit scale. D. Celsius scale. The correct answer is A. Richter scale. The Richter scale is a numerical scale used to express the strength or magnitude of an earthquake. It was developed by Charles F. Richter in 1935. The scale is logarithmic, meaning that each whole number represents a 10-fold increase in amplitude. Question number 6. Which of these is not a type of precipitation? A. Hail. B. Snow. C. Sunshine. D. Rain. The correct answer is C. Sunshine. Sunshine is not a form of precipitation. Precipitation refers to any form of water that falls from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface, such as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Sunshine, on the other hand, is the radiation that is emitted by the sun and reaches the Earth's surface. Question number 7. What is the name of the device used to measure rainfall? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Rain gauge. The correct answer is D. Rain gauge. A rain gauge is a simple device used to measure the amount of rainfall over a period of time. It consists of a container, usually cylindrical, that is open at the top and closed at the bottom. The device is placed outside, and as it rains, water fills up the container. Question number 8. What is the main cause of wind? A. The rotation of the Earth. B. The uneven heating of the Earth's surface. C. The tilt of the Earth's axis. D. The gravitational pull of the moon. The correct answer is B. The uneven heating of the Earth's surface. Wind is primarily caused by differences in air pressure. When the sun heats the Earth's surface, the air above it heats up and expands, creating low pressure. As cooler, denser air from surrounding areas moves in to replace it, it creates wind. Question number 9. Which of these is a tropical weather system? A. Hurricane. B. Blizzard. C. Tornado. D. Ice storm. The correct answer is A. Hurricane. A hurricane is a tropical weather system that is characterized by a low pressure center, strong winds, and heavy rainfall. Hurricanes typically form over warm ocean waters and can cause significant damage if they make landfall. Question number 10. What is the name of the day when there is no wind? A. Tornado day. B. Hurricane day. C. Calm day. D. Gale day. The correct answer is C. Calm day. A calm day is a day with very little or no wind. The term is used to describe a day with a wind speed of less than 1 mile per hour or 1.6 kilometers per hour. Question number 11. Which of these is a safety precaution during a thunderstorm? A. Stay indoors or in a vehicle. B. Go outside to watch the lightning. C. Take a shower. D. Use a corded telephone. The correct answer is A. Stay indoors or in a vehicle. During a thunderstorm, it is important to stay indoors or in a vehicle with the windows rolled up to protect yourself from the lightning and strong winds. Taking a shower or using a corded telephone can be dangerous during a thunderstorm, as water and electricity can be a deadly combination. Question number 12. What do we call the loud noise produced by thunder? A. Echo. B. Boom. C. Roar. D. Rumble. The correct answer is D. Rumble. Thunder is the sound produced by the rapid expansion of air near a lightning bolt. The energy released by the lightning causes the air to heat up explosively, creating a shock wave that we hear as thunder. Question number 13. Which of these is a winter season? A. Summer. B. Autumn. C. Spring. D. Winter. The correct answer is D. Winter. Winter is a season characterized by cold temperatures, snowfall in many regions, and shorter days. It typically occurs in the northern hemisphere from December to February and in the southern hemisphere from June to August. Question number 14. What is the name of the instrument used to measure temperature? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Rain gauge. The correct answer is B. Thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. There are different types of thermometers, but they all work based on the principle that the temperature of a system is proportional to the amount of heat energy in it. Question number 15. Which of these is a state of matter? A. Color. B. Shape. C. Volume. D. Rainbow. The correct answer is C. Volume. Volume is a physical quantity that describes the amount of space a substance occupies. It is a fundamental property of matter and is commonly measured in units such as liters or cubic meters. Question number 16. What happens to water when it freezes? A. It becomes less dense. B. It turns into a gas. C. It increases in volume. D. It decreases in volume. The correct answer is C. It increases in volume. When water freezes, it expands and becomes less dense, which is unusual for most substances. This property of water is due to the unique molecular structure of water and the hydrogen bonds between water molecules. Question number 17. Which of these is a greenhouse gas? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that absorbs and emits radiation in the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, which is essential for maintaining a habitable temperature on Earth. Question number 18. What is the name of the process by which plants release water vapor into the atmosphere? A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Transpiration. D. Precipitation. The correct answer is C. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which plants release water vapor into the atmosphere through their leaves. It is an important part of the water cycle and helps to regulate the Earth's climate. Question number 19. Which of these is a renewable source of energy? A. Coal. B. Natural gas. C. Solar power. D. Nuclear power. The correct answer is C. Solar power. Solar power is a renewable source of energy because it harnesses the energy of the sun, which is constantly being replenished. Unlike fossil fuels such as coal and natural gas, solar power does not produce greenhouse gas emissions or other pollutants. Question number 20. What is the name of the layer of the atmosphere that protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun? A. Stratosphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Exosphere. The correct answer is A. Stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere above the troposphere. It is known for containing the ozone layer, which absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, protecting life on Earth from its harmful effects. We have now reached the end of this weather quiz. How many questions did you answer correctly? If you got 16 to 20 questions right, you are a weather master. 11 to 15 questions right, you are a weather wizard. 6 to 10 questions right, you are a weather watcher. And 1 to 5 questions right, you are a weather learner. Keep learning and trying. Your time will come. You can watch this video again to check out the questions and answers. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for playing.